Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to stop Substack emails. All right. You can do this on your phone app as well. But what we're going to do here is just go ahead over to our profile. This is right here at the top right or right here at the bottom left. So what we're going to do here is just go ahead over to settings, click on settings. Now you will be landed to this page. What we're going to do here is just basically scroll all the way down until we find the section called notifications. As you can see here, we have both email and app enabled. So if you want to, you can go ahead and scroll all the way down right here. As you can see, there are a lot of notifications. All right. Now, if you just want to stop any marketing, recommended content, activity digest. Now to stop receiving emails about new features and updates, click on this toggle right here or the slider. All right. And to stop receiving recommendation emails, click on this toggle besides recommended content. All right. Now to stop receiving emails about replies, mentions, or notes you may have missed, click on the toggle, which is right here besides activity digest. If you want to as well, you can go ahead and turn everything off right here. That's basically how you do it. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and prefer app delivery. This one means you'll have the notification just from the app itself. All right. Not for your email. And if you want email notifications, just go ahead and tick this one and your app notifications will be turned off. And that's how you stop Substack emails. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.